So presentation of this project about software and operating system. Okay, and the first slide and list of contents. Okay, and first explanation of operating systems. Two examples of operating systems. Three benefits of having an operating system, and the last conclusion. Okay, and the slide, next slide. Explanation of operating system. What is explanation of operating system? Okay, next slide. What is operating systems? And operating systems are OS is software that is responsible for managing computer hardware resources so that they can be used to run applications programs. The OS will appear and start operating on the device during the booting process or when the computer is turned on. This component will then work as the main controller of interactions between the hardware in the device and the software in it. Okay, next slide. Examples of operating systems and many examples of operating systems. Examples. And the first, Windows. Windows is the most popular operating systems in the world, developed by the technology company Microsoft. And two, Mac OS. Mac OS is an example and operating system specially designed by Apple for for for, for Microsoft can of Microsoft computer device. And three, Unix. Unix is an example of an operating system that was first developed in 1968 by Ken Thompson and Dennis Ritchie. Okay, next, Linux. Linux. Wow, waduh, ini lupa ditranslate lagi. Okay, Linux and founder by Tofeldo and since 109,091. Okay, next slide. Benefits of having an operating systems. What is benefits of what is benefits of having an operating systems? Okay, benefits of having an operating systems and operating systems in the core software that bridge the interactions between the user and the hardware of a computer or laptop. Here are some of the benefits of having an operating system, namely and first resource management, 2 user interface, 3 program execution, 4 management file, 5 system security, 6 hardware support, 7 multitasking, and the last platform for software development. Okay, and the next slide. This last part, conclusion. Next slide. Okay, conclusion. The most important program that runs on a computer, every general purpose computer must have an operating system to run other programs. The operating systems perform basic tasks, such as recognizing input from the keyboard, sending output to the screen, keeping track of files and directories on the disk, and controlling peripheral devices such as disk drivers and printers. Okay, and many more for the conclusion. Okay, for large systems, the operating system has greater responsibilities and powers. It's like a traffic cop. It makes sure that different programs and user running at the same time do not interface with each other. Okay, next on part 2 presentation. Okay, welcome back. This is part 2. I want to presentation about hardware. What is hardware? Okay, and the next slide. List of contents. And first, about explanation of hardware. 2. About parts of hardware. 3. Disadvan- Disadvantages of hardware. And the last part, benefits of hardware. Okay, next slide. Explanation of explanation of hardware. Explanation of hardware is a hardware that is needed in every technology device such as laptop, computer, smartphone, and many more. This role of this one component is very important because without hardware, it is impossible for a device to run properly. Okay, next slide. Part of hardware. Part of hardware to clarify the picture of hardware. We will explain the parts of hardware as a physical element of a computer. Hardware is a component that consists of many parts. Here are, here are some of them. And the first CPU, two motherboard, 3 hard drive, 4 keyboard, microphone, RAM, and many more. On the slide, disadvantage of hardware. Despite having some advantages, bridges also have some disadvantages, especially when compared to the network hardware we know as routers. Here are some of the disadvantages of bridge. Number one, its features are mostly limited to LAN connectivity, two not as complete as a router in terms of features. Okay, next slide. Benefits of hardware. Next slide. Benefits of hardware. There are several advantages that this network hardware has. Here are some of the advantages of this bridge. The first, simplify the monitoring process on a network. Two, can help with data security of an organization. Three, can break down a LAN network into smaller networks. Okay, thanks for listening to my presentation and thank you for watching and bye bye.